The lace rib stitch is a very pretty stitch and relatively easy. There is, however, one tricky stitch, but I'll show you how to do that. The lace rib stitch has a very flat, pretty front, and the back is our purl row. When you're casting on, cast on in multiples of 6 because 6 will actually give you the pattern. Today I have 18 stitches. There are 2 rows. There's a knit row and there's a purl row. Row number 1. Knit 2 together. Knit 1. Yarn over, and we do this twice. Knit 1, slip 1, slip 2 stitches onto your second needle. From the front, pick them up and knit the 2 stitches together. That completes our first row. Row number 2 is a purl row. Purl 3 stitches, purl 1, purl 2. Now we're coming up to where we yarn over twice in our previous stitch, so we purl the first part, and now we have the wool going straight, and what we do, we knit through the back loop. So we come up through the back, purl to create the purl stitch. Purl 2, purl 1, purl 2. The rib stitch is a very pretty stitch and would be ideal for scarves, mittens, hats, and even a throw rug. I've really enjoyed knitting this stitch.